National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hunt County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas, southwestern Fannin County in north central Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Trenton, or 16 miles southwest of Bonham, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Leonard around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Celeste and Merritt around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Frontenac, Nobility, Bailey, Pilot Grove, Kingston, Blue Ridge, and Westminster. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.